Hi Year 2, welcome back, Mrs Powell here, and thank you to everyone who sent me their fabulous seahorse pictures last week. They were incredible. Now we're keeping with a underwater theme for our drawing activity this week. We are going to be drawing a hot and cold coloured fish. So let me show you how it's done. Okay, so you're going to start by drawing your fish landscape. Remember, that's that way, lengthways, nice and big on your bit of paper. So you're going to start with a nice curving line that goes right the way across your page like that. And then you're just going to start and join that point to that point. So we've got a kind of, I guess it's like an eye shape really. Okay, now I'm pressing on quite hard. Obviously, you don't need to press on so hard in case you need to erase anything. So there's the body of our fish. Now, we're going to put a line here and then another line here. This is going to be the tail of the fish, and then just join it up. Okay, then let's do the fins. There's one fin which will just start like a diagonal like that, and a line down there. And the same on the bottom. Diagonal, and then just join that up. And there where the two fins start, you're just going to do a nice curvy line for the head of the fish, like that. And then let's do his eye. So that's a nice circle like that, nice big circle. And then inside a smaller circle and a little highlight like that. And let's give our fish a nice big smiley mouth. Okay, now you're ready to do the scales. Let me show you how scales look. They're just like a sort of back to front letter C. So nice and big, like that. Back to front letter C, and one going down like that. Now in between each of these scales, you're going to do another scale, like that. So it looks as though they're tucked behind. Okay, and you can just keep going with that. Okay, just put your scales in. Now you can do your scales whatever shape you want really. I like these sort of letter C shapes, but you could do them a bit spikier if you'd prefer. Okay, so that's our fish drawing. Now we're ready to add colour. So I'm actually going to use coloured pencils to colour my fish, but you can use whatever medium you have in your house. You could use oil pastels if you have them, or you could even use paint, or if you've got some pens, that'd be great too. And I've chosen all the warm colours. Remember, warm colours are colours which remind you of hot things such as the sun or fire. So we've got yellow, red, orange, all those colours that make you think of warm things. So I'm just going to go ahead and start to add some red. Remember to keep your pencil marks nice and close together so you don't have too much white paper showing through. So I'm just putting the final finishing touches to my warm coloured fish. Okay, you notice that I've actually also gone over my pencil marks with black pen just to add that finishing touch. Oh, and I've added some little bubbles at the top there. Now, if you'd like to do something a bit different, you could always have a go at doing a cool coloured fish. So I've drawn a sort of long skinny fish, but this time I've added colour using those cool colours. Remember the colours that make you think of water or the sky. So here is my finished hot fish picture. So I hope you have fun with this activity. Do remember to put your work onto your art portfolio, which is on the Google Classroom. So have fun with it and keep drawing.